Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. We're going to be drawing Dakota, the pink dragon, from Squishmallows today. We're going to actually do two little circles in the middle of the page on either side. Make sure they're really round and even, and we're going to add in a little highlight on either side. And then once you're done with those, we're just going to fill in these empty spaces. Like so. Once you have that done, we're going to do the nose. It's just going to be a line on the top. And then we're going to do two sides. And then connect the bottom. And then we're going to do two little ovals for the nostrils. Once your face is complete, let's do the main body. It's just going to be a line across on the top right here in a curve shape. And then we're going to go all the way down to maybe around here and here. And we're going to do a line on the side to connect the two. Like so. Then we're going to complete it with connecting the bottom. Once you have that done, let's draw in the belly detail. We're going to just do a curve right around here and then connect it to the bottom. And with our base body done, we can add the details now. We're going to start off with little horn in the sides. So we're just going to go here, add one horn here, and we're going to go across and repeat it right around here. Like so. And then there's a little mohawk, so we're going to add that in right there. Then we can move over to the ears. The ears is going to be a little bigger than the horn, so we're just going to draw a line out to this point, a little further. And we can go down for the first ear. And then we need to add the flap of the ear, so we're just going to draw a line in the middle like that. Once you're done on this ear, we're going to repeat on this other side. Make sure to match it, so you just want to go across, follow across, go around there, and go down, follow across, and repeat. We're going to repeat the split in the middle, like so, follow the other ear. Finally, all we really need is the wings of our pink dragon. So we're going to go in the middle, maybe right at the nostrils, on the top of the nostrils. We're going to go right here, and we're going to go up to this point. Then we're going to go back down a little further. And then at this point you want to curve. Then we're going to match the line back in, like so. For the wing, we're just going to go out, down, up, in, and we're going to add two little lines for the wing. That's all you really need. And so we're going to add the same thing on the other side. We're going to go up to this point around here and go back down, and we're going to repeat the shape and connect it with the curve. Same thing for the wing. We're going to go out a little bit on either side, and we'll go down in a spike. Let's just do two little wing details. And there you have it. Your drawing of Dakota the pink dragon is done. It's not really pink right now, so let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have suggestions for any other videos you would like to see, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.